Place chilled ghee in a bowl, add ice cubes, and whisk until the ghee becomes light, creamy, and almost white. Remove the ice cubes. Add the flour a little at a time, alternating with ice-cold water. Whisking continuously. Now add the milk. Mix it well until the batter is very thin with no lumps. Make sure that you are whisking continuously. Use a deep, heavy-bottomed pot. Fill it halfway with ghee or oil. Heat until very hot. A drop of batter should sizzle. Pour 1 small ladle of batter. Pour it from about 8 to 10 inches above the oil. Wait until the bubbling slows. Pour another ladle into the center. Gently make a hole in the center using a skewer. Continue adding batter until the desired thickness is achieved. Fry until the Ghewar turns golden brown. Carefully loosen it from the sides. Lift it out using a skewer passed through the center. Drain vertically so excess oil drips away. First, combine the sugar and water in a small saucepan. Boil the mixture until it reaches a one-string consistency. Add cracked cardamom pods to the syrup. Then, sprinkle in a generous pinch of saffron. Keep it on low heat to maintain its warmth. Pour the warm sugar syrup evenly over the Ghewar. Make sure that you cover all the parts. Allow the excess syrup to drain. Sprinkle finely chopped almonds over the top. Then, garnish with some chopped pistachios. Your delicious dessert is now ready. For malai Ghewar, spread chilled rabri over the top. Now, garnish it with nuts and a few saffron strands. This makes the dessert look very festive and delicious.